2, 1, fight.
Oh, looks like we've got some layers of that weapon on Blender flying off. We got these bots pushing each other around, trying to fight for control. Oh, and we hear that weapon now on Blender. Both keeping their horns locked, not trying to give up any ground to the other, though it looks like Nightmare Broccoli's pushing power is a little better. Blender looks like is not moving. Blender, do we have any movement? We're gonna have to count you out in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's the match with a win for Nightmare Broccoli.
Blue team wins.